Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into how LabVIEW, the graphical programming language from National Instruments, is transforming manufacturing. If you're in automation, robotics, or industrial engineering, this video is for you. In just 5 minutes, we'll explore how LabVIEW streamlines processes, boosts productivity, and ensures top-quality production in industries across the globe. Ready to see how this tool is changing the game in manufacturing? Let's go. LabVIEW is a powerful programming environment that uses a visual interface to design and control complex systems. Unlike traditional text-based coding, LabVIEW uses blocks and wires to create programs, making it intuitive and perfect for engineers and technicians. In the context of manufacturing, LabVIEW plays a crucial role in automating tasks, collecting and analyzing data, and ensuring real-time control of production lines. Think of it as the brain behind the scenes, making sure everything in a factory, from robotic arms to quality inspection systems, runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's look at some exciting examples of how LabVIEW is being used in modern manufacturing. Example 1. Robotic arm automation. Imagine a car assembly line where robotic arms are tasked with assembling parts with high precision. Using LabVIEW, engineers can program these robots to work in harmony, coordinating movements in real time. LabVIEW communicates with the motors and sensors of the robotic arms, ensuring that each part is picked, placed, and assembled with incredible accuracy. This not only speeds up the process, but minimizes human error. Example 2. Real-time quality control. In the food and beverage industry, maintaining consistent quality is key. With LabVIEW, manufacturers can create systems that monitor and adjust variables like temperature, pressure, and pH levels in real time. For example, in a beverage factory, LabVIEW could be used to monitor the carbonation process. If the CO2 level drops below a specific threshold, LabVIEW sends an automatic command to the system to adjust it, ensuring the perfect fizz in every bottle. Example 3. Predictive maintenance in heavy machinery. LabVIEW doesn't just help with production, it also plays a role in predictive maintenance. Imagine a large manufacturing plant with machines that need to operate 24/7. LabVIEW can be integrated with sensors on machines like CNC machines or injection molding presses. These sensors monitor machine health, and LabVIEW can analyze trends in real time, predicting potential failures before they happen. This reduces downtime and saves money by preventing unexpected breakdowns. So, what makes LabVIEW such a powerful tool in manufacturing? Let's break it down. Ease of use. With its graphical programming interface, LabVIEW is intuitive and allows engineers to focus on solving problems, not writing lines of code. You can drag and drop virtual components and wire them together to create complex systems without needing deep programming knowledge. Scalability. Whether you're automating a single machine or an entire production line, LabVIEW scales easily. It's used in small manufacturing operations all the way to global factories with thousands of devices, providing real-time control and monitoring across the board. Integration with hardware. LabVIEW seamlessly integrates with hardware such as sensors, controllers, and robotic arms. This means real-time data collection, instant analysis, and control all in one platform. Data logging and analysis. In manufacturing, data is king. LabVIEW enables manufacturers to log real-time data, analyze trends, and create reports. This data-driven approach helps identify bottlenecks, optimize processes, and improve product quality. Looking forward, LabVIEW's role in manufacturing is only going to expand. With the rise of Industry 4.0, the revolution of smart factories and interconnected systems, LabVIEW will continue to serve as the backbone of automation. We're already seeing the integration of IoT, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence in manufacturing systems. And LabVIEW is perfectly positioned to manage this data flow, ensuring faster decision-making and more intelligent automation. As smart factories become more common, expect LabVIEW to become even more crucial in shaping how we manufacture everything from cars to electronics to consumer goods. In conclusion, LabVIEW is transforming the way we think about manufacturing. Whether it's enhancing robotics, optimizing production lines, or predicting maintenance needs, LabVIEW is streamlining processes, improving quality, and driving efficiency. So if you're in the automation or manufacturing industry, it's time to dive into LabVIEW and unlock its full potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts or any questions you have. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of automation and robotics.